Let me log in as a teacher. I'm logging in as Shweta ma'am. Teacher has got two modules. One is activity-based learning and AI powered translator, like the student. But here in activity-based learning, the teacher can look at the activities. No editing, no deletion. It's only to see how the activities look like before they tell the students how to use the app. So this is what we have here, just the view option, and then you have the student overview. So all the students who are mapped to the teacher. Now in this case, Shweta ma'am has got so many students who are mapped to her. Suppose she wants to see Akshaya's report card. So she has to click on Akshaya. Akshaya has got 3 curriculum or 3 courses against her name. She has completed spoken English light. So you can see how much she has scored. She has scored 1100 out of 1100. And then she can also view the leaderboard. As I said, in teacher's view, you will have all the students who are mapped, not just the toppers. The student can see only the toppers, but here a teacher can see all the students who are attached to her or mapped to her. So Alekia's 1295, 1001. Actually, these two are the toppers. So this is what we have for the teachers. Thank you.